one of the nurse practitioners here at Aesthetica Medical Spa. I want to talk a little bit about hormone supplementation therapy or hormone replacement therapy. So traditional medicine holds this belief that aging is inevitable and its progression cannot be changed or altered, but our approach here at Aesthetica is to focus on the prevention of the aging process, and one way we can do this is with hormone supplementation. Research is showing that hormonal deficiency associated with aging is no different from that of a younger person with a hormone imbalance, and so it should be treated appropriately. So what are hormones and what do they do for our body? Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, and they send signals to our bloodstream and tissues. Hormones regulate many functions of the body and help control many things such as heart rate, sleep cycles, sexual function, metabolism, and cognitive functioning. As we age, our hormone levels begin to drop, and many people begin to experience symptoms such as fatigue, low energy levels, libido, low fog, weight gain, and many more symptoms. So here at Aesthetica, we do bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. And what that is natural, biologically identical hormones that are designed to mimic the shape and function of our own hormones. They have the same molecular structure as the ones in your body, so when they're introduced, the body recognizes them. The benefits of using bioidentical hormones versus synthetic hormones is that the body recognizes bioidentical hormones, and so the body knows exactly what to do with them when they're introduced. This in turn helps reduce the risk of side effects. Synthetic hormones may somewhat resemble our own hormones and do some of the same tasks, but sometimes when the body tries to metabolize these foreign substances, it may produce toxic byproducts and cause a wide array of side effects or more serious problems such as heart disease or even cancer. Bioidentical hormones have been around for decades, and multiple clinical studies have shown that bioidentical hormones are safe and effective for not only the relief of symptoms of low hormone levels, but in the prevention of disease processes as we age, such as breast cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, and even Alzheimer's. So we use BioT method of hormone replacement therapy via pellets, which are inserted into the fatty tissue in the buttocks. They are the highest quality of bioidentical hormone pellets on the market. And this is because of the specific way they're made and sterilized in a special lab. They're very effective due to the quality and by the method of how we implant them into the tissue. There are different ways to do hormone replacement therapy, including injections, creams, pills, patches, and then pellets. We do both pellets here at Aesthetica as well as some pills. Testosterone and estrogen we do via pellets, and then which again are inserted into the subcutaneous tissue, and then the progesterone and thyroid supplementation are oral administration. We prefer pellets because they give you a steady release of hormones into the bloodstream that lasts for months, and they're the most convenient form of all of the hormone replacement therapy. Other forms, such as injections, give you more of a roller coaster effect with your system relieved, and many forms are just not as convenient, and therefore we find patients are just not as compliant and they just don't get the best results. Once we do pellets, once they're inserted, you'll feel the results in about 2 weeks, and for women they last 3 to 4 months, and for men they last about 5 to 6 months. So bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is for both men and women. Testosterone is often thought of as a male hormone only, but it's just as important for women as it is for men to have optimal levels of testosterone as we age. Men also need estrogen, which could be very beneficial for reducing lipid levels. It reduces the risk of dementia, just to name a few benefits. And we like to get men to optimal levels of estrogen as well as our women. So both male and females see improvement with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, such as better energy levels, increase in libido, decreased brain fog, weight regulation, improved sleep, and many more symptoms are relieved. We have great success here at Aesthetica with our pellet therapy, and our patients really love the results. We have many men who have been on testosterone injections that have come to us and switched over to pellets, and they say it's been life-changing for them, as well as many women who are in perimenopause or in menopause, and they also feel like the hormone replacement therapy that we do here has improved their quality of life and tell us that they feel like a new person. So if you're interested in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, to get started, we have you come in and do a private consultation with one of our nurse practitioners. We'll get a medical history and do a mini exam and make sure your vital signs are stable. And then we'll do some initial labs so we can get some baseline hormone levels. and so we can see where those are at. And then after we get your labs, we'll call you and review your labs with you, and then we'll make a customized prescription and treatment plan for you and discuss the plan with you and get you scheduled and get you started.